Hello, everyone. My name is Dennise Smith, and I live here on Gant Lake in Alabama. Today, I wanted to share with you a couple of the products that I've received recently from MadamSew that I wanted to let you know about. The first one is a three-piece wide rolled hem set. It is wonderful. It comes in three different sizes. It comes in a 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch size. So you can make that hem whatever width you need it to be. I've used this on my husband's slacks. I've used it on my skirts and my dresses, and they come out perfect every time. You also get a really handy little pamphlet that tells you exactly how to use these 3 feet. They attach easily to your machine, and I think you'll really enjoy it like I have. The other thing I wanted to share with you is I bought these beautiful pearl head pins. They are beautiful. They come in 5 different colors. I am a quilter, so I use these on my quilt projects so that I can make it easy to find when it's time to take them out. And they're nice and sharp, so they come out easy and go in easy as well. So listen, if you are in the market for any products to help you with your sewing projects there at home, please consider MadamSew's website and go there. I'll tell you, when I've ordered, I've received them quickly, I guess within about 2 days, and they're always very helpful. If you call and ask for something specific, they are there to help you. Again, MadamSew, check out the website. I've gotten several things, and they've always come quickly, and they are very professional. I appreciate your time. Blessings to all. Have a great day.